Hi guys, what's up? Today, magkakaroon tayo ng aking Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're gonna have... Hey, what's up guys? Today, I will have... Hi guys, what's up? Today... Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're gonna have... Or I'm gonna show you. Today, magkakaroon tayo ng beauty hack testing. Ito yung testing na tinatawag na Jamsu technique. Originated ito sa Korea at maraming talagang nag-rave dito kasi magandang, magandang technique daw. Which, magpa-foundation ka, tas ibibake mo, tas ilulublob mo sa tubig for about 20 seconds yata. Sabi dun sa Jamsu technique na yun na mas pro-prolong niya yung foundation nyo, mas lasting siya, plus yung oil control ng face nyo, mas maganda and powerful. And it will last you the whole day. Ganyan siya yung foundation sa mukha nyo. Tapos maglalagay tayo ng powder, parang baking technique. Pero after nyo maglagay ng powder, ilulublob nyo siya sa tubig for about 30 seconds. And then after that, itatap nyo lang ng towel ng kaunti yung face nyo para maalis yung tubig. Ganun ang gagawin natin today. Nakaready na sa baba yung aking tubig and just waiting for me. And perfect timing to kasi medyo umiinit na ngayon. Hindi na katulad ng mga nakarang araw na sobrang lamig. Ang foundation na gagamitin natin today is the Maybelline New York Green Satin Skin. Itong foundation na to, medyo hindi siya suited for those who have oily skin. Pero maganda yung coloration niya. Maganda yung coverage niya. Maganda yung foundation basically. And my skin guys, normal to oily skin ako. So sometimes when I use products na hindi intended for those who have oily skin, nag-oil up talaga yung kutis ko. Kasi ang weather, hindi masyadong nakikiayon. So, matetest talaga natin tong technique na to and itong hack na to. So, na natin to. Ilalagay lang akong foundation. So, I'm just gonna buff my, foundation. Concealer, I'm gonna use this Revlon Color Stay Under Eye Concealer. Kasi paubos na to eh. Tuluyan na natin. Done with my foundation and concealer. Ngayon, magbe-bake tayo. Baking process pala, hindi magbe-bake kasi after natin maglagay nito, aalisin din natin siya with water. I'm gonna use, I'm not really sure kung itong gagamitin ko or magpa-powder na lang ako. Tapos, mas maganda daw kasi to. I'm gonna use the Johnson's baby powder. Punuin natin to. Parang wala nang bukas ang puti. Damihan daw eh. O, di ba mga anak? Yan ang tamang pagbe-bake. Dapat mukha kang multo. Anyway, let's go downstairs. Ang ating tubig na punong-puno for 30 seconds. And ito yung aking dry na towel. And then, let's do this. Bilangan mo ako 1 to 10 ah. 1, 2,
1, 2,
3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20.
This is so weird. Another.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20.
Another 20.
Go.
1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20!
Okay ba? Mas nakakaipat-try natin to. Siguro mas maganda to kung kakulay niya yung powder. Kasi sobrang puti na mukha ko. Tingnan na, yung aking ilong area nawala ng foundation. But aside from that, wow. Wow. Ang ganda ng feeling niya, guys. As in, ang sarap. Parang naka-powder lang. And parang medyo naging lalong mas lightweight yung yung powder, ay yung foundation. But yung ilong area ko, at wala na siyang foundation. Bakit gano'n? Ayun o, nawalan. Kailan natin ito ng foundation kasi hindi siya maganda tingnan. Wait lang. Hindi na ako magsiset ng powder kasi ang ganda ng finish niya. As in, yung finish niya, ang parang naka-powder ka lang, tapos hindi mo na mararamdaman yung foundation na nasa ano mo, nasa mukha mo. Ang ganda. Ooh. 10:07 ng umaga. Love it. Ang hindi ko lang nagustuhan sa kanya is the nose area. Kasi nga, yung naalis kanina at kailangan ko patungan siya ng another layer of foundation. Okay naman siya. Kasi yung ditong area ko, as in super duper plakado. As in, plakado makeup. It is very, very smooth. Until now, ang sarap sa pakiramdam niya. Parang wala kang suot at all. And, hindi na ako nag-set ng powder kasi nag-set naman na tayo kanina. And I love it so far. Ang ganda ng itsura niya. Even on natural lighting, ang ganda ng itsura niya. Parang natural skin lang siya na, ano niyo yung pinaganda. Lagi ko nga sinasabi to. Pero parang siya pinaganda. Hindi na masyadong halata yung nasa ilong ko kasi nilagyan ko ng foundation. At nung nag-set na siya, maganda na siya ulit. Pero hindi siya ma-compare dito kasi yung ditong area ko, yung mga talagang nalublob, yung mga hindi nasira nung nilublob ko sa tubig. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Ang ganda. Kasi wala akong masabi. Ang ganda lang niyan. Anyway, I'll update you guys later. Now, 3:29. It's been 5 hours since, alam nyo guys, yung napanood kong review about this jumpsuit, ganito rin yung nangyari sa kanya na wala yung ilong area. Maybe because oily, so sobrang oil, kaya nawala yung area yon. Ganyan lang siya kakonti. As in, ganyan lang. So, I think the process or this hack is really effective. Kaya lang, again, uulitin ko, yung foundation na ginamit ko, which is the Maybelline New York Dream Satin, hindi siya talaga suited for those who have oily skin. Though maganda yung produktong yun, super ganda. Maganda yung finish niya, maganda yung outcome niya. Ang problema lang doon, hindi siya masyadong suited for those who have oily skin. Kasi actually, in 2 hours, 3 hours time, mag-oil up ka na using that product. But this one, I've been wearing it for about 5 hours. At nung nilublob ko siya sa tubig, I think it really helps me a lot in controlling the oil na meron ako sa skin. Kasi until now, guys, super duper flawless, plakadong-plakado pa rin ang mukha ko. Walang natanggal, except for the nose area, which is nawala kanina. Feels niya rin, it still feels nothing at all, as in nothing. So I think the jumpsuit technique or the hack is really effective. But kung ako ang tatanungin personally, kung gagawin mo siya, kunyari everyday ako nagme-makeup at kung gagawin ko siya, it's not really that time consuming for me. Kasi yung nilublob ko yung mukha ko, 30 seconds lang naman. So, super bilis lang na process. Process niya, medyo hassle lang kasi you have to go down and then lublob yung mukha sa, ilublob yung mukha niyo sa tubig. Kung kayo yung tipo ng tao na hindi kayo nagmamadali palagi, this is a good process para maging plakado yung inyong makeup. Kasi talagang overly plakado siya. Yung blush on ko are still intact. Yung bronze ko are still there. Yung highlight ko is still on fleek. Walang nawala. Gagandahin niya yung foundation na gamit niyo. What more, di ba? Kung maganda at intended for those who have oily skin ang gamit kong foundation, I think this is perfect. But aside from that, even though na ang gamit ko ay foundation na hindi suited for those who have oily skin, I think it looks okay. It really controls the oil. My face is still radiant. Perfect tingnan ng foundation. Actually, hindi mo naman masyadong mapapansin na meron kang foundation sa mukha. Parang naka-powder ka lang, pero ang ganda ng kutis mo, alam niyo yun? Tingnan natin sa ganitong oras kung meron pa rin siya. Kasi kanina nag-flash ako. Kasi nga, ginamit ko baby powder eh. Tingnan natin ngayon kung meron pa rin akong white. Oh, you see? Ibig sabihin, the product is still there. Kasi may look, may face, yung mukha ko, ganun na ganun pa rin. Walang nagbago, yung, as in wala, yung ilong lang. And I think the process, itong hack na to is very, very good. I think it's a big thumbs up. I super love it. Kung kayo yung tipo ng tao na nagmamadali kayo, ay hindi kayo nagmamadali, this is a good process to take to make sure that your foundation will be intact throughout the day. And also, kung kayo ay oily at hindi kayo masyadong kampante sa foundation na gagamitin nyo, do try it out. Kasi 30 seconds, it's not a big of a deal, di ba? Especially kung kayo ay tipo ng tao na pumupunta kayo sa event or pupunta kayo sa event, I think this is a good process to take para just to make sure that your makeup is gonna be, you know, intact na nandyan lang siya kasi ang ganda-ganda niya. And also, walang nag-cake. Normally, pag ganito kainit, ang problema ko, because nag-oil up ako, nagmo-move yung foundation. Ibig sabihin, may tendency na mag-muumo yung foundation, yung mga ganong problema. But this one, do mainit ngayon, walang namuo, walang nag-cakey, which is a big thumbs up. And also, just to input also, nag-bake ako nito ha. So, nasa mainit na area ako kasi may oven doon. And nag-bake ako, wala. Ang ganda. It's a perfect hack. I love this hack. Going to office and you have a spare time to spare. Go ahead and try it out. It's a big thumbs up. I would totally suggest you guys to try it. And for this beauty hack testing, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please do give me a big thumbs up. And also, do not forget to subscribe in my channel, which you will see down here. If you're seeing the red button right there, click that para ma-update kayo every time I upload a video. And also, click that ring button nung katabi na subscription button, may ring button doon. I-click nyo lang yan so you will be notified every time na mag-upload ako ng video. At nag-upload na ako ng video. And if you haven't followed me on my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, ililink ko lahat sila sa description box. And also, at the end of this video, makikita nyo ang aking daily vlog, which I vlog every single day. So go ahead and check me out there if you want to follow me around and all my glamorous stuff. Napaka-glamorous ako doon. Wala kayong makikita ng kapintasan doon. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Do not forget to be happy all the time and have a great day. Bye! I'll see you guys soon.